Did you know that you cannot be broke if you understand that ChatGPT does a lot of work with social media entrepreneurs? Seriously, let's be realistic. In this era of digital, of digital awareness, digital exposure, you should never be broke. I should never be broke. Truly, the moment you understand ChatGPT, you can do anything with social media platform. In today's video, I'm going to show you how people are turning simple ideas into daily income. And when I'm talking about daily income, I'm talking about they are creating content, they are writing books, they are writing templates, they are graphic designers, they are marketing managers, they are customer care services, they provide even social media management skills. There are a lot of things they are providing, not because they have gone for masters in any kind of high institutions, but because they have ideas, they have skills, and there is the digital era that has come in, which is the AI era. Now, here I am, I'm asking you, you can see me, I'm at the comfort of my home. It's a Saturday, and I was like, no, I don't need to run, to jump up and down. Let me talk to you at this comfort that I'm feeling. But before we do that, you guys, I really know that a number of us, for you to be comfortable, not to run, when you go to a hotel, it's when I remember when I used to go, like, we have a family outing. When you reach there, I'm there, I used to make my bestie feel, oh, okay, she's happy. No, I have to bring it home. And you cannot bring the coziness back home when you're not making money. You have to make money, then sleep like a king, a queen. Let your kids feel the princesshood, the royalty in them. So today I'm going to disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes. We give you 10% of the knowledge, the 90% you should go and research. If you want to take it, you take it. So treat this video as educational video. We are not financial buoyant, no, we are not financial experts. Today, I'm going to be showing you how ChatGPT is #1 money-making machine for anyone who dares or who wants to grow. If you want to dominate on social media, like if you want, people will be running for views, you will be running for money. If you want to do that, I'm going to give you 5 top benefits of using ChatGPT, your smartphone, and your social media platforms. Yes, recently most of people are asking, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a tool. It's an AI tool. It can be free. It is, I call it a personal assistant, and personal assistants are not clever like that. For ChatGPT, it does the heavy lifting. You come up like the way you see. ChatGPT gave me a transcript because I have an idea. I gave it and it gave me a transcript. Then I said, okay, let me do it. But I know it, but it has to make for me the transcript, and it did the metadata for me. So let me give you the 5 top benefits of using ChatGPT as a social media entrepreneur. The first one is instant content creation. When we talk about instant content creation, this ChatGPT, as I told you, it will give you instant posts. It can create for you posts, it can create for you captions, it will create for you video scripts like this one you see, it created for me. It creates you, even it goes ahead to give you hooks of blogs and ads and description in seconds. We are not talking in hours or in minutes, we are talking in seconds. So if you're here, this one helps you to go extra a mile and keep consistent. You keep focused, and you keep showing up. That's why you always see, I can't fail to have a post. Then what you need to do, you need to just stop thinking and just start posting. And this is what I do. Let's see the second one. It is 0 skill needed. This is the benefit of ChatGPT. It doesn't need your skill. What it wants one thing. It just wants you to have an idea, then tell it it will turn your idea into a professional and engaging post, engaging text, and you'll be monetized, and you'll get your monetized content. Then at the end of the day, it's you to enjoy the money. Then the third one, it helps you to stay consistent. One of the biggest reason creators fail out is inconsistency. I know you will say you're right, because most creators have fallen out because they are not consistent. So it makes you remain consistent. Why? Because for a ChatGPT can make it will not get tired. It will not ask you a weekend. It will not, provided you have given it what it wants, you have given it a smartphone, you are giving it internet. Just rest. Make sure you keep refreshing your system. That's what it wants, and it will not have an holiday. So ChatGPT helps you create content daily, and even it can even create it times 10 of a human being, as in multiple times a day. And consistency in creators, it means it will attract the algorithm, and which ends up attracting the followers. And when views are there, money, it is automatic there. Let me first talk about content ideas that never run out. You cannot run out of content ideas. Do you know, by the time you go to bed, some people, especially who don't schedule, they'll be thinking, what about tomorrow? What about tomorrow? But when your mind is dry, what you need to do, just go to ChatGPT, say, hi, how are you? I love you so much. Do you know I need this and this and this? Depending on your topics, depending on your niche, it can even give you what is trending, what is viral, what you need to do. So that is good. The good thing with ChatGPT. The last but not least is about growth and monetization faster. The moment you have it, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, the more you give it engaging content, the faster that you will grow. And you can give it engaging content when you're using ChatGPT. ChatGPT makes your content clear, stronger, and even it can even go an extent of attracting viewers for you. Now, the only thing is, how do you use this ChatGPT effectively? This is where we go wrong. And this is where some people who don't know it, who have not practiced, they don't know. No, the first thing you need to know is know what you want. You are not going to tell me that, like, for example, a GPS takes me to any location I want, and you sit in the car and you don't direct GPS where you're going. You have to know what you want. Before you're typing anything on ChatGPT, do you want a post? Which type of a post do you want? Or you want a video script, or you want a caption, or you want a content plan? All this, you have to have clear intentions. When you have a clear intention, ChatGPT will give you better results. Trust me. The second step is give ChatGPT a contest. There are some things that you need to have. Contest is like, you need to have a niche, you need to have a platform, you need to have audience, you need to have your tone. Your tone means like funny, motivational, engaging, education. This is what I always tell ChatGPT to do for me. For example, if I'm to write a motivational Facebook post for beginners on making money, I'll have to tell it, please, can you write for me a motivational post for beginners? And as I do it, that is what they mean. You have to have a contest. The third step, you have to use prompts that produce money. Yeah, for example, money making content. So you have like hooks, trending topics, high engaging posts, CTA lines, long and short scripts, SEO titles, and Facebook monetizable text. The fourth, second to last, you need to edit it with your personality. Don't copy, don't give whatever ChatGPT gives you and you go and put it on Facebook, on Instagram. At least add your voice. Make sure you turn it to be yours. You vibe yourself. So there are things that it will not put. So the moment you put your vibe, your voice with AI speed, that is ChatGPT, I'm telling you, you'll have an unstoppable growth. Last but not least, that step of growth on it, you have to post consistently using ChatGPT as your daily assistant. Because if it helps you and you don't be consistent, it is also not going to work. So what you do, you can do 10 to 15 Facebook posts per day, multiple short scripts, content calendars, daily motivation. All this it can give you. So you can stay broke if you don't want, or if you don't know, or if you don't have a free powerful tool. But for us with it, we cannot. So guys, hopefully you will use this and it is going to be beneficial for you. I love you so much. See you.